In this video, we'll walk through how to configure the Pages tab under Appearance Settings. These settings let you assign WordPress pages to core BuddyBoss components and registration flows across your community. Let's get started. This tab is where you connect your WordPress pages to key community features. First is Component Pages. This section lets you assign a specific WordPress page to each core BuddyBoss component. Each dropdown allows you to choose which page will display that feature on the front end. You can assign pages for members, videos, photos, documents, social groups, forums, and activity feeds. Each component uses its assigned page to power the corresponding directory or feature layout. A view button is available next to each assignment so you can preview the page and confirm it's displaying correctly. Next is Registration Pages. This section controls the key pages used during user sign-up and account setup. You can assign Register Form, which is the main page where new users create accounts. Terms of Service, which is shown in a pop-up during registration and login. Privacy Policy, which explains how user data is handled and is also shown in a pop-up. Activate Account, which is the page users are redirected to after registration to activate their account. Each field uses a drop-down to select an existing WordPress page, and you can preview each one using the View button. These settings ensure your onboarding and core community pages are properly connected and easy to navigate. And that's how you configure the Pages tab under Appearance Settings. These options give you full control over how your core BuddyBoss components and registration flow are mapped across your site, ensuring a smooth and connected user experience.